Stupid, brilliant. Driving your bike at 180 kilometers per hour without a helmet. That's stupid, huh?
ஆமா, ஏன்னா 180க்கு மேல ஹெல்மெட் இல்லாம ஓட்டுறது தப்பு.
சரி. Good. Yes. It tastes bad. Tastes good.
Today also you had.
Don't give. I should not guess the item. You should tell me what item. Based on that, I'll guess if it's bad or good. Today also you had na idana chicken na guess pannuma.
இல்ல.
It's stupid.
இல்ல. Yesterday you had.
I should not guess the item.
ஐயோ கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமா இருக்கு.
Yesterday I had. What did I have yesterday?
தியாவோட ட்ரீட்.
That tastes bad for me. For Thea, it tastes good, but I don't know what you're thinking.
Sena, Thea inga include பண்ணிக்கூடாது.
Why are you including Thea? For me, it tastes bad, but because you thought about Thea, I think for Thea, it tastes good. So,
அங்க இது காணோம்.
இருங்கம்மா ஓபன் பண்ண தானே வரோம். ஐயோ ஆண்டவா என்ன சோதிக்கிறீங்கம்மா.